Hey there, this is Jeremy G, and I just wanted to make a really quick unboxing and tryout video of my brand new Insta360 X3. I recently got this as a birthday gift along with the visible selfie stick, of course, and the Insta360 X3 lens cap, and I thought that it would be a great idea to make a video on this. We could unbox it together and test it out, trying to film stuff for the first time together. So let's go. All right guys, let's get right into it. Ooh, yes sir, look at that, wow. Off the bat, the Insta360 is surprisingly smaller than I imagined. Like, it looks like it's pretty much the size of just my hand, yet since it's a 360 capture, it can of course get a really wide field of vision. It has the lens on both sides, of course, so then when it's capturing, it gets you a 360 view of whatever it is you're recording. Gonna go ahead and peel the protective film off, which I think is one of the most satisfying things to do in this world. Ooh, look at that, wow. Lens is super clear and shiny, like you can even see the ring light reflection inside this lens. Besides this guy off the screen. Ooh, yeah, super sleek. Since I've never used this before, I literally have no idea how to use this thing. I'm gonna put this back for a sec. Gonna reach back into the box and see what it does here. Looks like there's a QR code you can scan with the guide as well. So we have the charging cable for this. Looks like it's a pretty standard USB to USB-C. And ooh, yeah, I was right, look at that. It's a carrying pouch for the Insta360. Here we go. Nice. We got some cool Insta360 stickers, of course. Insta360 branded cleaning cloth, so we can make sure the lens is nice and clean every time we're filming. As for the accessory items in the bundle, real quick, the selfie stick is pretty self-explanatory. It's a very, very long extendable selfie stick, almost like an expandable baton, and should be invisible when I'm filming with the 360. And the lens cap is of course a silicone lens cap that is specially designed to fit snugly on the Insta360 lens, so it'll be protected whenever we're carrying it around. I'm personally not a big fan of drawn out reviews, and I'm sure you aren't either, so that's really all I have to say about those. Let's go to the filming. All right guys, so I just got done playing around with the Insta360 X3 for the first time. Haven't gotten a chance to take a look at the footage yet, but I have a feeling that we got some pretty good stuff because I was able to film with some really interesting angles with the invisible selfie stick, so it's a good extent so far. From my experience just now, without even having looked at the footage yet, I can already tell that this is a really awesome camera to have, and I think is going to completely elevate and change the kind of content that I can create. I think it's a really great camera to add to your arsenal. I'm gonna try to make something cool with the footage that I got in the park today. Check it out, and hopefully if you weren't already convinced in getting one of these, then this video will. Keeping in mind that it is going to be my very first Insta360 video, and I'm just messing around with it and a guy who filmed with it for the first time. Here we go.